Hello, it's Jade here. Welcome back to the MDF's laser grading amendment trial. We have 10 bays in this trial. Most of them are sown to verdure annual ryegrass after laser grading. And we have 5 management strategies in the trial. So they are standard practice, split applications of lime and gypsum incorporated at the sowing of the annual ryegrass, revive compost, and a multi-species cover crop. There are 2 bays of each treatment in the trial, and what we are aiming to see is whether any of these other management strategies can ameliorate the effects of laser grading more effectively or more quickly than standard practice. So what we have in front of us here is one of the typical bays that was grazed in June. It's at 2 and a bit leaf and will be grazed in a couple of weeks. And we left a few bays for a field day, which we've just had, for illustration purposes, I suppose. So this is the second standard practice bay. This is the verdure annual ryegrass. It is at about a little bit over 4 leaf. It's as tall as my gumboot, looking a little bit fabulous, and it will be grazed ASAP. It's had a pasture cut done today. It will have a forage test sent off from that, so we'll be able to see its production and also its quality. The rest of the bays were pasture probed just before they were grazed earlier in June. Now I'm walking you across to one of the more novel approaches in the trial, which is the multi-species paired bay. There are 2 bays. One of the multi-species will have standard fert, which will be this one right next to the standard practice ryegrass bay, and the other one will have biological fert applied. And we'll be assessing both of these bays for dry matter production, the quality of that dry matter, and obviously any changes in soil health and soil structure. We'll also be assessing all the bays with a chemical fertility test, but also a soil biology test to determine the activity and the nutrient cycling of those microbes. So this is a 12-way species blend from AGF Seeds called Cool Cover, and it has a blend of annual winter cereals, ryegrass, linseed, vetch, chicory, 3 brassicas, some crimson clover, and it is just a fabulous looking mix. It was cut last week at 4 tonnes to the hectare of dry matter, 11.7 ME, and 22.7 protein. So it is quite a high octane mix. The herd will be grazing this tomorrow, and we'll also pop a little bit of pasture hay in there just for some roughage. So thank you for looking at our laser grading amendments trial, and looking forward to keeping you updated as the results start to come in. See you next time.